Hey guys, welcome to Mickey's Tea. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're going to get right into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. I went ahead and purchased something off of Amazon instead, and this was like, I want to check. I'm going to be Amazon price. So there is like a difference. Like the Amazon one is more expensive, but this is like supposed to be like new. So I just didn't want to take any more chances, so I just wanted to get the phone. And I'm like, 40 bucks more. I think it's worth it. So I'm opening up this Amazon box. Okay. I don't know if this is like a resale labeling or something. Hey there, I'm your new Amazon renewed device. Nice to meet you. So again, it's not new, this is renewed. So y'all get the point. So here you go. So this is the Apple iPhone XS 64 gigabytes. It's fully unlocked. It's in the color gold. Okay. So they're just saying to do this if you're going to return the phone, which I'm going to have to do to the other phone as well before I return it. So I'm going to follow this instruction on the other phone, if that makes sense. Let's just say thank you for shopping with us. If you have any questions, to call and blah blah blah. Whew, moment of truth. Something in there. They have like these two little things for like to put your hands. I can't. Y'all, it's low-key hurting my hand. Okay, I did it slowly so I don't put a mark on the phone. Looks nice. I never had one of these phones before. I was searching through YouTube trying to see like which phone that you can buy at a good price, but I wanted something good also, so that's why I went with this one. So the back is nice, y'all, like no scratch at all. Then the camera is good as well. All right, let's see the side. So again, it has like a little bit of dust on it, but I'm trying to differentiate the dust with any marks or anything like that. It might just need to be wiped down, but as of right now, it still looks good to me. It looks good. So when you look at the screen, right, I get a little worried when I look at the screen. Obviously there's like a screen thing on top of it, so I'm thinking that's a screen protector, and all of this has nothing to do with the screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and just make sure that's the case. I have like some glue. I'll take it out later. Okie dokie. Guys, it really looks like new. Oh, wait, hold on. I spoke too early. So right over there's like a line in the screen. Like right here, you can see the line in the screen. I mean, it doesn't look biggy. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look like a big deal, but there's like a slight line in the screen. I hate when I see a line anywhere, because then that's just like, okay, it's getting ready to break. So as I'm trying to turn it on, All right, it's turning on. All right, so sit. Tell me hello in every language.
Hola.
Okay, so
Ciao. 안녕하세요.
voiceover is active. To turn off voiceover,
Hello.
double click the side button.
你好.
Triple click.
Voiceover off.
Okay. I'm just setting it up. So right now, when it came in, it hardly has any charge. Okay. So it's gonna take a few minutes to activate my stuff. This one, the one from Amazon, it has this, and then it also has like little pins inside for you to go ahead and put the SIM card. Finally, 10 years later. Guys, if you haven't already done so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a video. So I had purchased a case also off of Amazon for the phone. I am done setting it up. Right now I'm just putting it in a case, making sure that the cameras work, speakers work, and then I'll talk to Chris about it. And I ended up keeping the phone. Because it was so much better. I didn't want to go back and forth again. Don't have the energy for the back and forth, so I was like, okay, it's good, and I ended up keeping it. The phone felt like a box.
How?
Because I put the auto box in it. Camera looks good though.
Okay, period.
So battery is at 80. As you guys can see, this is just me going over the phone, making sure that everything's working on the inside. I did went ahead and played a broadcast to make sure that the volume on the phone is pretty good. I played around with it a little bit. Like I said, I did purchase this phone because I have an AT&T line that I'm currently not using, so I went ahead and just purchased a lower cost phone so that I can go ahead and utilize the line that I have and basically use this number as basically a business number. I just want to take the time to say thank you again, guys, for tuning in with me today. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.